Are you ready to step into the world of commercial and industrial facility services with a team that values strong management and quality control? Look no further than GCJ Facility Services, your gateway to a successful franchise opportunity in the facility services management industry. At GCJ Facility Services, we take pride in being an all-inclusive facility management service provider. From janitorial services to window cleaning, post-construction cleaning to floor care, and environmental services for medical facilities, we offer a wide range of services tailored to meet the diverse needs of our clients. When you join GCJ Facility Services as a franchisee, you become part of our family. As seasoned facility management professionals with over 15 years of experience, we take pride in providing comprehensive facility services that exceed expectations. We offer hands-on support every step of the way, from initial training to ongoing guidance and assistance. With an initial franchise fee of $30,000 and a minimum estimated cost of $67,490, including the franchise fee, GCJ Facility Services offers a cost-effective entry into a lucrative market. We work with a wide range of industries such as retail, healthcare, government, financial and banking, hospitality, dealerships, schools, museums, and more. The business opportunities are endless with GCJ Facility Services. We are seeking energetic, motivated, and sales-driven individuals with a strong dedication to honesty and integrity to join us as franchise partners. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to be part of a lucrative market and build a thriving business with unlimited growth potential. Take the first step toward an exciting future today.